Hello, monkey. Alrighty. So, what did we do yesterday? Yesterday, we finished all the animations for the Earth barrier. Now today, we need to integrate it into an ability to summon it. So we have a lot of, or not a lot of, it's more like many different things to do in different parts of the game. Hey Phil! You were just melting? Well, I become melting, so it doesn't bother me anymore. I am the heat. So, before we start though, let's review. This thing can spawn, it can vanish, and it can be destroyed. I believe all of these things are now in here and can be just called, and nothing is in the test. Everything is just a call. Call, call, call. Okay. So where do we put this now? We need to make the ability itself first, which is like here in crystal, ability crystal, protect disc, but we need a guard barricade. So I guess we could duplicate this. Because many things will be the same. Ability Earth. Barricade. Guard. Okay, now let's look into the ability itself. Crystal barriers, wrong. Earth barrier. Effect ID. We don't need an effect. Okay, this goes away. Slot to create on. Earth. Speed inheritance. That's interesting. Not speed, spirit. Now it needs to be defense instead. Such member. And this is probably also wrong, but whatever. Let's just roll with it. For now. Alright, that's it for this for now. Probably need to do other things here. Then the timings. Let's see. Need this. Charge, magic, barrier spawn, animation, ability done. We still need to charge. Barrier spawn. Barrier spawn, do spawn animation, appear animation. This probably is implemented in our VE. Area UV widgets. So yes, this does the thing already. And I believe we still need the particles because of the overcharge. Interesting. Guess I'll just duplicate these two and then just change the color here. Oops! Oh my god, I can't rewind. Okay. So now we need to do this part. Don't care about that one. The Data. Oh, this is wrong. We need to fix. This is fine. Okay. Hey, Uni. Hello, hello. Now, does it work already? That can't be, right? I must be missing something. Maybe I should rename these into whatever element they are, so it's easier to put them into the correct place. Tests. Battle entity. Fire. Crystal. Tomati. Maybe call this 01, like this. So this is 02. Needs to be fishy. Fire, water. Okay. This could be snack or fishy. I'm not sure which one it would be. Here it is fishy. Water, air. Fishy. Water, earth. Shroomy. Right. Slimy. This should be tomati again. 6 earth fire. Now is this shroomy? No, slimy. This is slimy. And then the last is orky. Voila. Now let's change them all. So this is fire. Fire lightning. No, it's fire crystal, what the fuck? Uh-oh. That's bad. Fire water is correct. Water air is correct. Earth crystal is wrong. Okay, we messed up all the namings. This is fire lightning. Fire lightning, fire water, fire water. Water air, water air. Water earth. What's the problem here then? Oh, it was fine. Earth, and then earth crystal. Earth fire. And then we flip. Lightning air, air crystal, crystal lightning. Yeah, it's fine to me now. So, Tomati, Fishy, Fishy, Shroomy, Slimy, Tomati. This should be Snack, Slimy, and Orky. Okay, that's handled. Now, this and this needs a earth formation, and this too. But then again, this guy needs a fire, this needs a fire, and this needs a fire. Rest does not need a fire element. Let's delete the fire element from the others. Ability, base. But this one needs to go. Delete fire. Fire, fire. Is this fire? Earth, crystal. Crystal is fine, crystal is fine. And this is fire, so it's fine. But it needs to disappear from here. And here. Okay. So this is fire, lightning, fire. Let's add a lightning slot. Which has nothing in there. Probably need also special case if it doesn't find an ability that it goes to base. But we also need the tactics for that part. Maybe I should also, if we don't find a tactic, we should go to a global default. We should not need to always add the tactic there. So this whole struct needs also a global tactic. It needs to fall back. Let's implement that. Save all. Where? Let's think. It's in the battle AI. Tactics. So we are looking here. Hey dude, do you have a tactic in there? So this completes, and then we go here. We should now do if we find something, or else we need to go to something global, which is not this thing. Okay, so let's see. Where is that struct? What is this? Entity info struct. this one. So here are the tactics for the front, and here is the global fall back. Do you write that together? Fall back tactic, and then customizable tactics thingy. No, that's an array. I need whatever is in this customizable tactics array struct, which is probably this customizable array this thing. This thing needs to be in there. Can I just drag and drop? No, of course not. This one? Uh-oh, what's going on? What is this error? Cannot parse value. Oh, really? I wonder. Let's try it anyway. So here's the global. Oh, wait, is this correct? Uh-oh, this is not correct. I need this. God damn it. So whatever is in this customizable thing, we need this default tactics. This is a battle AI tactics something. Now it's correct. Okay. Compile here. Maybe even save. Okay. And then we just select this random thingy for everything. That will be our go-to thing for now, for test purposes, but the default should be the center one, which is not implemented though. Because if I play the game, I want to always try to get to the summoner. Save all. So now we have that, which means we can now continue here. But before I continue, So I am AFK for a sec. And while I'm gone, you can have Ryan Gosling as a company. So be right back, monkey. Okay, I'm back. Good to hear. Thank you. So if true, you really don't care about this stuff that much right now. But if false, we need to go into this thing. So maybe it's more like promoting this into a local variable. Promote local variable, local fallback tactic. Like this. And then I feel like I like this new way to do this, more sequence instead of connecting both of these. So now we should always end up in this random thing without having to add the front tactic stuff. There's also the tactic stack that we don't use right now. Okay, so now let's check the abilities. Lightning, fire, water. There's nothing in there. Well, this is missing both water and air. Earth. So which means if this thing's MP runs out, right now we go there, so maybe at some point we should also implement the base attacks, but for that I need to invest in some more things. We need like a base version of any attack or skill possible, except of special things like the walls. Maybe. I'm not so sure. I reckon having a very, very weak wall without having to use MP is extremely OP. Yes, it would be able to nullify one attack, no matter how strong it is, depending on the element that is. So what is this? Earth, fire. Why do we have the orbiting sphere status? I'm not so sure. Maybe that's not that important. Okay, what is this? Lightning air. lightning, air. Air, crystal. Okay, and crystal lightning. Okay, I believe we should have all the attacks. Fire, lightning, fire, lightning. Fire, water, water, air, water, air. Water, earth, earth. Earth, crystal, earth, crystal. Earth, fire, earth, fire. Lightning, air, air. Air, crystal. Air, crystal, and crystal lightning. Good. Save all. Or maybe it's the time to add them all back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are missing the 9th. Unreal, move, map elements. Okay, whatever. Fire, lightning. Fire, water, water, air. Water, earth, earth, fire. We are missing earth, crystal. Earth, crystal, earth, fire. Lightning, air. Air, crystal, crystal, lightning is missing. Save that. And now we're missing some values for our orblings. Competitor group. Must be this here. Okay. So Tomati has these things in there. Fishy has these ones, and the other ones are all 0 currently. Should I just copy and paste them? Not so sure. 25 even correct? I can tell. Okay, let's Tomati 25, Ishi 25. I don't think this is good, but whatever. 100. I think it's strong, man. Base MP. I mean, it's Shroomy. They are pretty defensive. Very weak. They really need second pass at some point. I don't know if this should be like their weak points. I'll just put that in there. They should be very slow, which means they will not be able to cast their waltz first. But how fast is a Tomati? It's 5. Ishi should be faster, okay. Let's say 3. 250, no, 40. Precision should be also rather bad with this guy. Default ability. Ever. Slimy is still OP. Orky. Snack. And it can be driver for now. She. Something like that for now. Doesn't matter. Now, if I start this, will it kind of work? That would be awesome. Let's see. These errors are scaring me a little bit. What is missing? Why? What's the issue? Excuse me? Why can't you parse this? You little shit. Same error. Of course, if I added another thing, then it's fine. Thanks, Unreal. So stupid. Uh-oh, we have more errors. Maybe it's time to restart the editor. Oh, fuck off. Don't tell me all the information just got nuked or something. Could be, right? Let's check. Reset all here. Wow, great. Great, Unreal. Perfect. This is exactly what I love about Unreal and its very, very solid data structures. I just set them all and now they are all gone. Great shit. Fuck. opening another Unreal so I can copy paste the broken data back. Gotta love it. And I lost like, I don't know, 8 of the data that I just created. What do I need? Abilities. No. Entity info. Presets. This thing. Where are they? Are you kidding me? Can you not open them one by one? Oh my god, ass. Now, can I copy paste info from an incomplete struct? This is asset 1, Tomati. Wait, these are all 0. Oh wait, then nothing is missing. But the abilities? What's going on here? Why is this 0? Oh, it's the inheritance. It's fine. I see now. So it is still broken, but a different broken. So I copy this now. Go here to Fire Lightning, which is 01. Enter, and doesn't work, of course. So we need to change whatever the struct is. Back to what it was. Global fallback tactics. And it's a battle AI something. Okay, and then we just remove it. Save it. Compile here, save. Go to 1. Copy this and enter. There we go. 2. 3. What's this for? Yes. I mean, these ones are broken anyway. I have to redo them anyway, so whatever. Save all. So now if I start it, it should work, right? Uh-oh. I mean, yeah, I understand. We don't care about that currently. just want this to work. And it seems to work. Okay. So now we re-enter that thing. Again? Why is this a problem, man? Why can't I change something on the struct? This is nuts. Okay. Let's try it again. So, I add call it this, and then save this, and save that, and now we have it. So if I start, seems to be fine now. I guess it is very important that whatever is in here needs to be saved or something. I'm not sure. Yeah, let's close the other Unreal. I think I did, I'm not sure. And let's do these again. So this should be still fine. Seems to be fine, but snack. Yeah, I never added any info there. Okay. So again, fire lightning. Fire water. Water air. Water earth. Earth crystal. They're all gone. Earth fire. Lightning air. Air crystal. And crystal lightning. Good. And this one we don't care. Now, alt random. I feel like we don't need this for now. Right. Okay, tomati, fishy, shroomy, slimy, tomati, snack. Should be now snacky. Let's also rename that slimy orky. And the players save all. Okay. What's the issue now? Visual actor is not in. Okay. Tomati, fishy, shroomy. Orky. Limey. And snack. Ah, finally. Now if I go to Earth, can we actually make a barrier? Okay, that's a problem already. No damage. Ooh, okay. What happens if I go here? Fire against fire. Does anything happen now? Or is something broken? Shit. Well, MP goes down, but... What's the issue here? Ugh. Why did it break all of a sudden, man? It just makes no sense. Also, I need to add the tactics. Maybe that's one of the problems. Although, I mean... yeah, it could be the problem. Let's see, maybe that is the problem because we removed fire, but maybe not. Oh god. Well, one arrow less. HPs don't go down. Still here. Competitor target, entity and slot map. It says it's empty. Is that even possible? Is the target wrong? Let's see. No target. Which means my AI doesn't go there. So whatever happens here doesn't give us a target. Are we going to center right now? We did remove it. I do not understand. This looks fine. It must be a problem with the tactics. I would have guessed goes in here. Oh, whoops. Oh, that's a problem. See if that fixes it. Good, now it works. Damage is dealt. And even kills. Good. Now, can we make an earth barrier? Biggest question. Okay. It makes fire. Well, it used crystal instead. And it made this thing. Okay, so it kinda works. We just need to find out why the references are wrong. So first off, water earth. Earth is going to guard barricade, that's good. Guard barricade, all three earth. So that's correct already. Barrier. Calculation. This should be fine. Although we probably also need to look. Create UI. Done. So the barrier slot should be correct from here. Earth barrier. And the rest is whatever. For now. So looking at this. Wait, the particles, I never added them. Oh, I did there. Ah, but I never changed the color. Okay, at least the color is there now. Now, why does it not spawn it? Do I even tell it to spawn it? I'm not, am I? So there's the barrier. How does it get the visual entity? Maybe through this. So do we have the visual class for it? Entity info. That's dicey over there. Entity info. Barrier. Ability struct ID. Entity base ID extra. So this info goes for the extra. Ah, we are missing one thing, which is, well, where is it? Barrier here. We need to add the earth barrier. Should I just duplicate it for now? And this is called deflect disk, which means our crystal also doesn't work, is it? It doesn't now. Let's find out. Yeah, it doesn't work. Does it work now? Aha. What's going on here? Divided by 0. Yeah, because our guy here has no stats. Which is not okay. But this is now guard barricade. I don't care, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. We don't have. There's this. Okay. For now. We could also use the test thumbnail. Let's see if this creates it. did create it, but the size is not good. The size is not good, and the position is not good. And we have some errors. Some effects didn't go through. What's the issue here? Access none. Is this none? What happened now? Why? Oh my god, you little That functionality is really not necessary. Access none, trying to read. Various slots. There is an earth barrier. Did I write it wrong? So this thing cannot find this thing. E-A-R-T-H. E-A-R-T-H. Oh, there is a little typo. Barrier. Okay. So let's remove that. You can also get rid of the print. So yeah, we definitely need to do something about the size and the positioning. I feel like this can be 0 or a little higher, 5 or something. Let's add a little floor here. Seems to be fine. Do we have a better... I don't know. Oh, that's fine. I just need to change the size of the barrier. And the offset needs to be changed. Let's say 10. Four seems to be fine. 5 maybe? 4 or 5? I feel like we should go with 4. No, can we change it here or is it getting overridden? Nope, did not work. If I go with scale 111, will it override whatever the scene is? Oh, there's... How about now? Oh my god. What the fuck? Also, it's not stopping. That's something to take care of. Why is there still one? Because I'm moving it? Could be. Am I moving it? Wait, this is the effect. Aha. And now they can shoot through it, correct? And the ability also went through. Ah, but the barrier did not get attacked. And when I overcharge it, it doesn't go up. Let's fix the overcharge first, because that's important. Spawn animation. What? Large particle. This is when it is already charged. Barrier spawn is... Oh. I'm not so sure about this one anymore. No, it should be fine. These are both for spawning, but overcharging is one of them, which is with this one. So this is spawning, this is spawn overcharge, and this is just overcharge. So maybe that's the problem, because when we are doing this, we are probably also activating the getting a peer thingy here, crystal. Are we though? Oh. this part. Is this the thing we need? It's just for... Where else? Let me check if crystal actually still... if crystal still works or not. Why was there amber? That was extremely strange. And the MP is now... Ah, because he has no MP. It just has the wrong targeting. That's fine, I think. That's fine for now. Does it appear? It does appear. Divided by 0, I know. So in order to understand the appear animation trigger, we have to see why this is getting fired. And we have multiple places for it. This is the function, this is one trigger, this second trigger, do animation. This one goes from trigger spawn. So test case as parent. It's also a test case. Do spawn appear animation. So this is the only part where we do the spawn one. Which means it happens in the do animation here in the execute. But is it correct? I mean, we could just check. So we did 2 breakpoints. There. It's the spawn animation. So the only place is this. And this is getting fired from... From and through what? Barrier ability, barrier, spawn, enemy. This can't be right. If this happens, then the crystal one is broken. Oh dear. Barrier spawn. Barrier spawn. And no barrier spawn. Why is index 2 not getting triggered? Wait. It does get triggered. This is fine. This is probably fine. Why doesn't it work for Earth? Trigger spawn appear animation. Because it's appear one works differently. This should do it, and then we have to find out why they are not phasing through. Or phasing through, but not damage the barrier. Good. Particles are in the wrong place, but that's fine. That's polishing. Now the targeting. That will be a little more complicated. We are going through, but we are not attacking the barrier. The attack needs to simultaneously also damage the barrier without losing its momentum. Let's think. Got barricades. I mean, the phase through is set by the AI. But it's not responsible for where the damage is calculated. We go into random. And now here happens the magic, I believe. Or maybe not. Just a chosen action, actually. No, we need the targeting. Where's the targeting again? These are the valid targets. Try ability. I see, this is the battle controller. And then here, recalculation, maybe here? Need the single damage. Abstract, single, here. Interesting. Apply damage. No, that can't be. Oh, fuck. It's in here. Here's the phase through. This needs to be true. And then it finds a valid target. I guess the spawn needs to happen at the 0th element, and then the wall needs to go. So if this falls, we get what? The wall. And does this give us both walls if it's both active? If true, yes, gives us both. So we need to add that into the target's array, where it goes in here. I mean, we are appending it here already. The only problem is this one, but if we have no target, this should not be possible anyway. And yeah, we should not be able to attack the wall when there's no Orpling wall in front of us. Which brings me to a question. If we are in a standard fight where there are multiple waves, if one Orpling creates a wall and we kill the wave without killing the wall itself, because the wall is fresh but the enemies behind were so low on HP you just needed to blow on them to kill them, does the wall stay for the next wave? Something to consider. Anyway, we are appending this. All we have to do is we need to apply the damage to everything. I believe. So in this pre-calculation, possible targets, we need to go for each and use the same thing on all. I would say. This is fine. Ability for each going in. Now let's see, do we have any? Oh my god. I mean, I don't care what happens after there, but set position should be at 0, that's correct. And now we have to think. The animation stuff. It's not only this now. The hit should go on every single one. Alright, does this work now, or does it break? Let's see. One of them is dead. Now okay. Nope. Did not work. So possible targets was not really doing what it should. Hold on, what? Why was this still there? Okay, hold on. We go through them all now. Set. This is very dangerous. Oh. Not in use. Not in use. Where are we? Battle controller. What is this? Choose and start action level sequence. I mean, yeah, fine. This is fine for now. But this might need a for each for the targets or something, but not now. Ability animation trigger function. I mean, it's fine. Yeah, we don't want the amber effect to be on every single target. I guess we should delete these. Set ability position and rotation. That is fine. If only this. Okay, so the targeting is now set correctly. I just don't know if the content of it is correct. We will find out. Okay. Here goes nothing. Nope. It goes through but does not trigger the wall. Why? Like this thing, when that goes through, why is this just 1? Maybe we should follow this first. Possible target. So this is the only place that happens. Does this? Let's go here. So I was expecting something here, that this thing would append the earth. Well, let's see. So Earth is true. If one of them was true, we would have, and none of them would, we would have said nothing. So now we go in here, and then we will go in here. What do we do here? We just get the ability stuff, which we don't care about right now. Magical. And this gives us the barrier, I hope. The lower one, Earth barrier. So this is already correct. And in here is the Earth barrier. Maybe our append just doesn't work. Let's see. Not to lose our stuff. So these should be all true. And now it needs to choose a valid target. Is not empty. Okay. Uh-oh. This is a problem. Ah, okay. It's fine. It's actually fine. I'm just not sure what this array becomes. Hey, wait. Yeah, this is what should happen. So what is in here now? Just one thing. It did not append. Even though interesting. This did not do what I was expecting it to do. Maybe I should add a local variable here to make sure that append works. Because when we make this array, it seems like it's too fresh to append. Or something. Why is there no... Why was there no local variables? Anyway, promote local. Local chosen target with barrier. We do this, and then we do append this in there. Then this goes in here. Now in my eyes, this should work. I mean, weird, but okay. We can work around it. Alrighty, and now we go with a breakpoint in here and see what happens. Okay. So this thing has one thing in it. This thing has the barrier and should append it into this. So we go through and then now it has to. So funny enough, if you create an array from scratch and immediately try to append it, that does not work. You have to save it before. But what does work is if you have an output or an input with an array, that you can append. That works. But apparently make array does not work. So nice to know, I guess. Anyway, let's see if the animation works now. Yes, it works. But it did not get killed. I would have expected it to get killed because there's 0 defense. Actually. I didn't pay attention if the damage went through though. That's something to check. Okay. Let's see. Yes, it goes through still. But the wall survives. We need to check how the damage is calculated there. So we have power of 10. When we create this thing, we have a defense of 10. Now, pre-calculate, is this the damage stuff? Oh, this is the creation. Ah. Intelligence. Should go with 0 spirit in here currently. Maybe the HP is just too much, or the fire is not strong enough, I'm not sure, we will see. Okay, so attacks that should be magic, which is intelligence, goes in here and gets the spirit, which is 0. Cannot be, it has no value right now, but now. It says 0 still. Interesting, why? Here, defense is 10 actually, but it was never asked, so it went with 0 spirit, which is fine. Okay, so caster attack, local 0. Ah, the multiplier is extremely low, that's why. We need to play with the I see. We need to play with the curve, which I will not do now, so we can do a workaround by just switching to Earth and see what happens. I mean to fire. We could also go to crystal to just not die. But the Earth should still get damaged. Ah, now I don't have the... UI. We still need to do that. That's maybe something for tomorrow, to make a shared UI. Alright, we switch to Earth. And then we switch to Fire. One of our fire is dead, which is fine. Why did it get healed? That's strange. The end phase seems to be healing it, which is extremely strange. Why doesn't it happen with Crystal? Or does it happen with Crystal? Let's find out. I cannot check. Wait, why is everyone low HP now? Maybe the targeting does something very special right now. Oh boy. Okay. I guess tomorrow is a bug fixing day. Oh, maybe I know what's going on. Because these things have no real stats, but the fishies should not die there. How about now? Does this still count? Interesting. So there's definitely something fishy. Literally. Oh. Oh no. This is of course not correct. This will always make it to no damage. What was I thinking here? What did I want to avoid? So we want to decay anything that is in minus damage. No. Receive no, in minus, correct. We want to get 0 and plus, which is maximum. Now that bug should be gone. They killed Fishy. And it worked, but I didn't see a great impulse. Is the earth barrier a little too big? Maybe. Anyway, I guess tomorrow we will do some bug fixing and polishing and UI stuff in order for this to work. But for now, we integrated the earth barrier and it works. I mean, we cannot test it because we don't have physical attacks, but magical attacks phase through it and trigger its animation and damage it while damaging anything behind it too. So that's great. So, Phil, thanks for tuning in. Lurkers, thank you. Everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye, monkey.